Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos, and as of late educational videos like this one. So if you're interested in those kind of content, please subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, as you can see from the title, today's video is going to be me showing you guys how to create your class. If you're a teacher, how to upload content or classwork, and if you're a student, how to join a class and how to do your classwork and upload your classwork whenever you get. So without further ado guys, let us get into the video. For this video, I'm gonna be using my tablet because I know not a lot of persons have like a laptop. Most persons probably have like an Android tablet, so I'm going to be using that tablet to show you guys exactly what I do and what can be done using the tablet. So yes guys, let us get into it. Alright guys, so we are going to be going into our lovely Google folder, and if you realize, I have Google Classroom, Hangouts, Meet, Sheets, Slides, Docs, and Jamboard. Now for teachers, you might need all of those. For students, you might need Classroom, Meet, Sheets, Slides, and Docs. You probably don't need Hangouts, but you can use it because you know it's easier to communicate with your teacher or classmates. But for the teachers, you will need Jamboard to it is used basically like a whiteboard. So yes, we are now going to go into Google Classroom, and I'm going to go on the account that has no classes basically. So I'm gonna be signing into this account that you're seeing now. This is a account that doesn't have a, what do you call that, it doesn't have any class on it. So first things first, it's empty, right? As you guys can see, I'm going to go down to where it says create or join your first class. So I'm going to be doing this for the teachers first. How do you create your class, right? You're going to press that plus button, create class, and you go in and you see class name. Now what do you want your class to be? So for example, if I'm teaching a grade 11 class, so I would say, so I'm doing class name, so it's grade 11, right? And a section, for me, what I put for section is the term. So you can write section 1 for the first term, or you can write Christmas term. So I could write Christmas term for the section. And for room, for my school, we do different groups. So for example, my group is the second group, so I write room 2. And then the subject, I teach math, so it would be mathematics, right? And then I press create. So now you have created your class. What can you do after you've created this class? Now there are a lot of features on this, and I'll be showing you guys some of the things that you can do in order to, you know, utilize this platform. Now this part that you're seeing here is the stream, which is basically like the page that you post your things on. So if you realize, share with class, you can actually go in and you share with your class, share with them something. So for example, you want to say, good morning students, how are you doing? So I'm going to be writing that, good morning. Nobody has this, so nobody will actually see this. Students, how are you doing? Yes, and then you post, right? So as you guys can see, I just posted that a while ago. Good. Then you can also post things from like your drive, so Google Drive, things that you upload to your Google Drive. You can put a link, a file that's on the tablet. So for example, I have like a picture, like for my form class, I post like images and such to their page in the mornings for their devotion. So you can click on a photo and you can probably write daily devotion or something, and then you can post that. So basically you're posting content on that, and if they click on it, they're going to see the picture going to go to the classwork. If there was a classwork given, then the students will be able to go to classwork and see that. If you want to set up a classwork, the plus button is there. You go and you create it. So you can create assignment, question, material, or a topic basically. But we are going to be looking at creating an assignment. Now you go in and you write up the topic. So for example, topic is fraction or something, right? For example, the topic is fraction, and you want them to answer, choose the correct or answer all questions. I don't know, I'm just making up something. Alright, and then the points you want to assign to the assignment. So for example, you want to assign 100, or you want to assign 20, or you don't want to grade it, you just want them to do the work. You can actually press ungraded. You can set a due date. So for example, I want mine to be due today, and I think you can do the time. Yes, the time is optional, and I want it to be due 12 o'clock or 12:59, somewhere out, right? And this, no, I don't want to add a topic. And then you would actually post that. Good. So in that assignment, you have the instructions. So this one you can actually, so for example, you have the work on like Google Docs or something. You can go into file. So you actually have the file show up on the recent files on phone or whatever. So if you're adding an assignment, right, you can do things from the drive, the link, file, and the link include things like YouTube videos, a game, or something. So if you want to do like a YouTube video, you would actually go into YouTube. So I'm going to be posting one of my videos. plug, subscribe. So for example, I go into this video right here, right? This video here, you're going to go into share, and you're going to copy link, and then you go back onto your Google Classroom, and you're going to add and paste the link and press add. Now it's added to your thing, so you actually see it come up. And you can do this for any video. So you want to look for a math video, you look for the math video and you post. So you're gonna have to give it a title. I'm just gonna write something, don't know what I'm writing, but anyways. And then as a student, they go in and they would actually see it as new assignment. So if you realize, new assignment, so they're seeing it as an assignment, and they go in and they actually, you know, so if they do the work, so I'm gonna be going in as a student in a few, and you know, doing it or pretending like I do something, you know, just. Alright, so what if you want to add your students? So for example, here, if you realize I'm the teacher but I have no students, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to add a student, and I'm going to be adding myself. So I'm inviting myself, right? So that's how you invite, and whenever your student goes to their email, they'll get the invite, and then they will actually, you know, click to get to go into. So that's how you invite students to your class. Now you have different settings that you can do. When you go into the little thing that looks like a gear, yeah, you go into that, and down at general, student invite settings, so you can decide if you want to disable the invite codes that you have, or you want to reset the code. And then you find your code. I'm going to cover my code, can't show you guys that because I don't want nobody joining this. And then you have a invite link, so you can actually give them the link, or you can give them the code. You have options where you can decide what they can post on the stream, if you want students to be able to post things on the stream, or if they can only comment on like things that you post, or do you want to just be the only person posting and commenting. You can also have classwork on stream, and you can decide if you want to show attachments and details, show condensed notifications, or you want to hide notifications. I have show condensed, and then that is it. Right now, as you guys can see, I'm going to join a class, and I'm going to go in with my class code, and I'm going to type that in. And then I'm going to join. Or as I said, you could actually go into your email, but I don't have my email on this tablet. When I reach into this classroom, I'm seeing everything that the teacher just posted. So I'm seeing, good morning students, how are you? And I can comment, good morning miss, good, or something, you know. I can comment that, and then the teacher would actually get that notification and whatever. So devotion, I can go in and I can look at the devotion that was posted. If you realize, I'm getting the notification now. So assignments, I go in and I see new assignment, answer all questions. When I look, I'm going to I can go in and whatever is given. So suppose I had done a file and I had posted a file with like a worksheet or something, I could actually work out my things on a paper, do my paper, whatever, take the picture, and then I can add attachment and attach whatever I did. I can attach a drive, a link, a file. I can take a photo. So for example, I do my work, take the photo, or record a video. Probably a teacher asks you to do a presentation, make a video. Or I can put in documents, slides, sheets, or PDF file. So I can do all of that. So I'm gonna do a file of some sort. I don't know, I'm gonna find a picture somewhere. So for example, I put in I don't know which one of these to use. I don't have plenty of pictures, so I'm gonna just use back this one. So for example, that was my assignment, right? And I did my assignment, and I'm going to press turn in. Yeah. So if you realize, it says work submitted, and then I've done my work. So my teacher will actually, you know, see that. Now I go in, and for the other assignment, I have a video to watch. Why isn't it coming up? It's taking a while. And then I go in, I watch my video, and do whatever the teacher asked me to do, go back into what I was in. And your work, probably I'm supposed to do a comment, or you know, you can actually go into classwork and you can actually see the work there as well. Now yeah, so basically that is it for using the Google Classroom, for the most part, of just giving work, accepting the work and such. Now I'm gonna be going back in the teachers section, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when somebody turns in their work. So for example, here I have my class. Again, I have one student, classwork, and if you realize, I go into this, it says turned in, and I have the one person that was turned in. Good. And then I can go into hers and, you know, look at whatever she posted, and I can say, ooh, she did great, let me give her 19 out of the 20, right? And 19 out of the 20, and I return the work. So that's me marking the work returned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did try my best to explain as much as possible. Again, if there is anything else on this G Suite platform that you guys would like to learn, let me know in the comments down below. I will try my best to make this video. This video was also requested by Tovia, so yeah, she's giving me the content, baby, content. So she requested this video as well as the first one that I did. So if you guys have been learning from those, you need to tell her thanks in the comments down below. She suggested them and I decided to do them. So if you guys have any more suggestions, I would actually do them. So just comment them down in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.